And the last song is called 故聲若響. Okay. When I hear the drums. And it's again about young men. This is real, so this is the theme of the country music of Taiwan. So this young man who left his hometown to become a singer. So he promised his family and his lover that he's going to succeed and he's going to make them proud. But he's not succeeding yet, so he's still trying. And he's saying, when I hear the drums, I feel happy and sad, but I'm still working hard. Okay? So that's 故聲若響.辛苦豆腐。阿爸你甘也有在聽，聽到阮用心唱的歌聲，不管落雨天，也是風颱天，阮是走江路的藝人。阿娘你甘也會知影，阮佇咧外頭真正打拼，不敢來耽誤當時的酒座。為何你親像頭前嚥氣？若聽到鼓聲，阮的心情會快活，迄出阮有了的分秒，變成阮甜蜜的歌聲。